Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to erase all data from your iPhone without an Apple ID password. First, understand that this process can lead to permanent data loss if not backed up. Always try to back up your iPhone data to a computer or cloud service beforehand. Ensure your device has at least 50% battery life or is connected to a power source to prevent interruptions during the erase process. This preparation is crucial for a smooth experience. One common method involves using recovery mode. Connect your iPhone to a computer and open iTunes or Finder. Then, put your iPhone into recovery mode by following the specific button combinations for your model, which vary slightly by device. Once in recovery mode, select the Restore option when prompted. This action will erase all data and settings, effectively wiping your device clean and preparing it for a fresh start. Alternatively, you can explore reputable third-party software solutions designed to bypass the Apple ID requirement for data erasure. It's essential to research and choose a tool that is compatible with your specific iPhone model and its current iOS version. Always follow the software's instructions carefully to ensure a complete and secure wipe of your device. These tools can offer a viable path when other methods are not feasible. After completing the erase process, it's important to confirm that all personal data has been successfully removed from the device. This step ensures your privacy and prepares the iPhone for resale or transfer. Understand that some methods may require a stable internet connection and can take several minutes or even longer to complete fully. Always double-check the device's status before considering the process finished.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.